5, 6, 7, 8. Remember that new rule that was supposed to cap your credit card late fee or your missed payment fee to just $8 instead of like 30 or 40? It was actually supposed to take effect tomorrow. Well, that's not going to happen after all. A federal judge in Texas just blocked the rule from taking effect because, you guessed it, the U.S. Chamber of Commerce, bank lobbyists, and several other groups sued the Biden administration saying they don't like this rule, and the U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau overstepped its authority when they created it. In his order, Judge Mark Pittman in the Northern District of Texas agreed, at least for right now, saying he believes the plaintiffs will ultimately be successful in arguing that the Consumer Financial Protection Bureau is unconstitutionally funded, therefore they can't create rules like this, and also said blocking this rule, at least temporarily, was necessary because damages could not be computed that compensate for plaintiffs' subjugation to an unconstitutional rule. A preliminary injunction, which is what the judge ordered, just means that for right now, as this case continues to move forward, that $8 fee rule will be put on hold and will not take effect until all of these legal issues are resolved through the courts. That could be months or years depending on outcomes and appeals. Now, I've been telling you in several videos since last year, the Biden administration has been cracking down on what they call junk fees and said these particular late or missed credit card payment fees are excessive and illegal and should be reduced down to no more than what it actually costs the bank, which according to the government is about $8. This rule was created through the lengthy year-long rulemaking process. It went through public comment periods and in the end, according to the CFPB, would apply to almost all financial institutions and more than 95% of the outstanding credit card balances in this country. The Consumer Financial Protection Bureau continues to say that they have every right to do this without Congress because Congress already passed a law back in 2009 that prohibits companies from building a business model on penalties, fee harvesting, and bait and switch tactics. The CFPB says these excessive late and missed payment fees easily fall into that category, and the agency was just closing a loophole and following the existing law. Obviously, the U.S. Chamber of Commerce sees it differently and said of the judge's ruling that it was a major win for responsible consumers who pay their credit card bills on time and businesses that want to provide affordable credit. The CFPB says this ruling will actually hurt families to the tune of $10 billion a year, while also padding the profit margins of the largest credit card companies, allowing them to continue to jack up the price tag on the fees when in reality, those late or missed payments don't cost them that much.